Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to join someone on Roblox without being friends in 2024, guys, and this method really works. You can test it on your device. So first of all, you need to log into your account on roblox.com. Then you need to open Google and search for this keyword, which is restore old Roblox server list, and open the first result, which is a Chrome extension, guys. So this is Chrome extension. It's totally safe. You can install this extension without any problem. Just click add to Chrome right here and add this extension to your Chrome. So once you will add this extension to your Chrome, you can click this puzzle icon on the top right menu, and here will be the extension, guys. So you can open the extension and you need to set this on auto search, and right here you need to enter the player username. So for example, you want to join someone, for example some popular YouTuber who is playing Roblox, and you need to join his server. You need to know his username. For example, I will just type random username, guys. So if you know the person's exact username and if you know the game name, what he is playing, so you can search the server where he is playing and you can join him. So for example, let's search this one. You need to close it and open it again to see if it saved the settings. So it saved this settings. I'm searching this username and I set it to auto search. Now I can go back to the roblox.com. I will refresh the page. And for example, guys, I know that this person is playing any random game. So for example, this one, let's open this game. I need to go to the servers list right here, and here will be this information. Search is completed, 2 servers found, and this user not found, guys. So he is offline at the moment and he is not playing this game. If he was playing this game, he will be right here in this servers list, and if the guy who I am searching for is in the server, I can click the join button and join his server, guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.